Hello YouTube. Today we have a job here in Torrance, Rolling Hills area for a little mini excavator driller, similar to the one that we did in Eagle Rock, but this one's on a smaller scale. It's actually the building the holes for the foundation of the side of the hill here, and they were about to finish their last hole when it flipped over. Almost similar to the other one as well. It's always on the last hole. This one I have to pretty much, you can't see it, but there's some lines on the opposite end over there. I'm pretty much gonna boom up, throw my line over there, and start winching it over. So I'm gonna hook up to the tracks. There's some D-rings there to the tracks that I'm gonna start pulling with one line there to be able to start bringing it over, and then another one to the Kelly bar on top, and start using leverage to my advantage at that point. So they want me to upright it and then pretty much secure it to the foundation here of the pre-existing home. So let's start getting into it. Yeah.
Big dog chain right there.
Yeah, that's half inch chain. There's a 15,000 working load limit on that one. Man, this dirt is soft. Overtime? Cool. And we'll use these right here, and then we'll come over for that one. Get another chain, probably smaller than that. Oh, there's a hole there? Oh, wow. Use my 40,000 pound platinum sling. Yeah.
Okay, anything?
If you want the chain, man. Thank you. You guys want to know the working load limit on this one?
That's it.
It's a strap, right? But guess how much?
Like 20?
40. 40, man. And it's a lot lighter than carrying chain. So it has a 7-to-1 ratio, so yeah.
How many bucks?
That one? Probably like $600, man, for one. They're expensive.
I'd rather use resistance is strapped onto a harness, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, so if it snaps at 701, 280,000 pounds is what realistically will snap, the braking strength, you know, but safely to work with, 40. It's a trip on how they make these things now.
Alright.
That one's there. Okay. Just gonna run my cables over here and then attach. Okay. So that's pretty far, maybe about 75 feet from here. So I should have enough cable. Obviously, since I'm using my snatch blocks, I have 250 on each drum, so 125 from this distance out. So I should have a little bit more in the drum by the time that I start winching. But at least from this distance, I have to pull it from there, not too far. How many what?
How many like hooking points does it have?
Oh, there's a lot of hooking points. Obviously I have the two main winches, my auxiliaries on top, and then my deck winches at the bottom. So I have 6 total winches. But when a load gets heavy, obviously we disperse it across a snatch block, because at that point you have mechanical advantage 2-to-1. But it also serves a purpose to divide the weight across the 2 cables. So on a single line, I have 25,000 of working load limit. So that's just to distribute the weight across the cables and for safe manner. The same thing with those and all across. So yeah. What happened?
Should you use one?
No, I'm gonna use 2 of them.
Can you pull this one out for you?
If you want, just pull it from this one right here, because the other one obviously is hooked to the boom. No, I meant that one.
Okay.
the same one. Yeah, you start pulling that.
Damn.
Yeah, there. What happened?
Let's stick on a piece of wood right there.
Oh. If you want, you could pull that cable. I'll pull the snatch block. That way it doesn't get too heavy. Right there's fine. Okay. That's one. Pass me that one, sir. And that's 2. All right, that's 1. I could actually probably give you an extension if you want. Will it reach? Because I need to reach over this part. Yeah, because by the time it starts coming over, that part will be a little bit higher. That's good right there. I can get another extension. Yeah, it'll probably be better. Yeah, because it's going to come over this. And then we'll leave it loose. Yeah. I'll use my other one. One of these covers, because it's gonna ride along the top of that rail. I'll use that. shackle's already there, so I end up utilizing this shackle.
You hear that?
The cops?
Yeah.
Another fine?
Well, they wouldn't have songs if they're not in the street.
No, right?
Flip on their lights and talk to them.
All right, go ahead and pull that one through. Here, I'll lift it. A little bit more. That's fine. Okay.
Did you leave this little mat thing?
Yeah, I do. That way it covers the strap on top. That way it doesn't slice it. That's the only thing you gotta watch for is the edge protection on these, but they pretty much last forever. Okay, go ahead and pull it. I'm gonna have to get another one for that one, but yeah, that one goes through. Cool. And then the hook, we hook up to that. There you go. Cool. I'll bring him out and then I'll adjust the height and everything. Oh yeah, enough cable. Right.
Well, moved it a little bit.
Yeah. Let's do away with this one until we get a significant pull on this one. Because once it fixes, it's gonna want to shift over. So let me Okay, you lift up the snatch block a little bit. Ready? There it is. I'll touch this one at the end. It's good right there. Cool. All right, let me start pulling on this. If you want, shine the light on it if you want. Did something shift over there?
No, it's just the head coming down to the ground.
Okay.
So get out of the way.
We might not even need that one, to be honest with you.
The only thing I might suggest is getting another. Keep going. Don't listen to me.
Let me get those straps under, or else I'll never get them out.
It might be a good idea to have the second one up on top on that.
Just in case.
And just pull it. Well, just pull it down.
No, I'll calm down because it already spiked at the bottom. If anything, I would have it for control.
Up top.
Yeah, just in case if it wants to come over. So that's why I left it here, but I'm gonna have to pull it across. Okay.
Sorry. Sorry for the noise. Huh? Sorry for the noise. Get us a lot farther than we got ourselves, that's for sure.
I'm just going with this one just to get it tight. All right, it's gonna slam a little bit. Nice. It'll upright and then I'll start winching on this side. Is it close to that little cinder block wall there?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's good right there.
That's good right there? Okay.
Go ahead and start strapping it off.
Huh?
Strap it. Fucking wall.
I suggest you strap it from the top. You at least need one high point. That's where all the weight is at. Unless you guys could lower it and lower the center of gravity, because that's it's either going to work against you or for you. You attach line there, it's all the leverage point at that.
I just don't think we can start it with the floater. You put some preload, like
Yeah, of course, of course. Once
have them strap it
and then let it go.
and then yeah,
Of course.
If it's strapped, we can walk it over this way as soon as we get it running and whatever it be at the time.
Okay.
But for now, if I can get it strapped up pretty decent,
I
can live life.
Okay. Let me preload it then. Okay. It's preloaded. You guys need light, man?
I'm just trying to figure out where the jack is running off at. So it's like right here.
You think that's strong enough?
Oh no.
How about that one? Is that metal? Or is that a piece of wood?
That's wood.
Right? Yeah, I assume probably some of this right here, no? This,
That would go. Let's go to all these.
yeah, that's the strongest point right here, no?
That's what's right
I'm
here.
gonna have him grab me one of those brush straps and then hook this off it and tighten it. For the-
Are you guys gonna use chain binders?
We don't have any.
You guys don't have any? Okay.
still gonna go to the gym, right? Well, you got joke.
You want to release some pressure?
Sure.
See what it does?
Okay, because the one at the bottom was already released. So that one's already released. It's the one at the top.
See if this top goes. There we go.
Watch your step. This way.
There's a little bit of tension on it, but not much.
Yeah, that's it. I'm pretty much no tension on mine. Yeah. Are you confirmed with that? You're good? Okay. Yeah, it's pretty much on top of the edge. So it should hold.
Cost a buttload of money. Like, just get ready for this. He's free basically. You call them and they show up for free. It's basically like
AAA.
Yeah,
Like AAA for
exactly. Sketchy situation with your truck.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of times. It happens. I mean, you could prepare for the absolute worst, you know, but
even tighter right there. I just got tighter.
yeah, I got tighter.
Well, he released. That's fine.
Yeah, I released everything.
What's the plan? How long are you running the engine?
What happened?
How long are you running the engine?
How long am I running the engine?
Yeah.
I'm pretty much done already. I'm just putting it away.
Okay.
Cool.
Just because it's late.
Yeah, I understand. I'm sorry. Yeah, I apologize.
Sorry about that.
All right, I told him he's cool. He just asked me how long am I running the engine. I said I'm done already. Just give me about like 20 minutes. He said okay, that's fine. He said it's kind of late. I'm like, yeah, I understand. I'm sorry.
I told both of these guys, I was like, it's gonna be 45 max. And
Yeah, I don't know where this guy is. Who he came from, but
across the street.
oh, probably.
This way.
Yeah.
Was that just your helper axle?
What happened?
Your helper axle?
The pusher on this one?
Got you.
Yeah. So it's just a pusher, so I can shorten up the wheelbase to get into tight areas.
Got you.